Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy, do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, let's go over some details about plumbing. Your Taylor Morrison Homes plumbing system is an intricate network that connects all of your fixtures throughout your entire home. In the unlikely event of a plumbing leak or burst pipe or fitting, you will need to know how to protect your home from expensive water damage. Knowing the location of your main water shutoff is very important to share with all family members and visitors. It will usually be located in an inconspicuous location outside of your home in the garage or basement for easy access. If you discover a leak coming from a plumbing fixture, like a toilet for instance, you can turn off the water supply by shutting off the valve behind it. All faucets throughout your home have shutoff valves as well, and can usually be accessed under the sinks. New low-flow toilet manufacturers recommend using one-ply toilet paper rather than a thicker ply. Do not ever flush paper towels or feminine products down the toilet. This will cause the system to back up. If you do have the unfortunate experience of a sewage backup, you will want to know where the main sewage cleanout access is located. Note the location of your sewer cleanout. It could be located inside your home, garage, or outside on your property. Use a pipe wrench to carefully open the cap. Note the direction of the pipe wrench for the best leverage. If you notice water seeping out under pressure, it's time to call a professional plumber. Otherwise, clearing the line at this point will usually solve the problem. We recommend that if you're away from your home for an extended period of time, that you drain your water supply lines. You can do this by shutting off your main supply line and opening the faucets and hose bibs to relieve pressure in the lines.
Taylor Morrison, homes inspired by you.